Hey, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Let's see. I know, 5 minutes. It's been a while. It's been a while. Let's see. Since I've been in front of the home computer here, I'm getting ready to go to work, and I thought I would just make a quick video here and bring you up to speed. So I think it's been, well, I know it's been 6 months since I've traded, and then I can't ignore what's going on in the overall market. Now, what do I think could happen on the worst case scenario? Worst case scenario is obviously the coronavirus going on right now and the effect of the markets and the market itself being closed. So we saw the last closure that we saw of the market, major closure of the market, was that I remember to this that's coming with these kind of volatility, and it was the September 11th, 2001, the towers going down, right? So, and then we had the historical after it all came through. Now every downturn has been every downturn, and then everything, and then there's an upturn that comes in after that. Will it come quickly? Will it come slowly? Those are questions I have no answer for. What I do have an answer for is we have not reached the peak in the United States of the coronavirus, correct? So volatility right now is going to be um, continue. It's going to continue to move forward right now. So that's something from the past that I see in understanding what I've seen in my past of trading 30 plus years right now, going through the looks like I'm going to lose my light here in a minute. I'm going to have to replace my light system at one point. But anyway, long story short, I decided to go back into Top Step Trader and test the waters again and look at the market itself. Obviously, you know, crude oil is the poison of choice for me, and I've had 6 months to think about how I want to approach the markets and how I want to effectively keep myself from bad things. So, and capitalize on the stuff that I did good and move forward in that. And that's kind of where I am in my life right now. So every time I come back, I usually have a good string of discipline, I guess, for lack of a better way of putting it. Trading discipline, trading persistence, trading all the other things that go with it. Until I get burned out, obviously. And maybe that's what I have to do from now on. I have to go until I get burned out and then stop for a while and then go again, and you know, not make it a job per se. Make it more of an event, maybe, perhaps. Every day is an event. Each day is separate by itself. Now, the other side of this is I've seen Top Step Trader, and they've probably already stopped funded traders right now. I haven't heard from anybody, but I haven't really paid much attention to email. But um, I would almost positively, like 99 something percent, that they probably stopped all their funded traders from trading right now. I know that um, from my past experience, they stopped us from trading in the past. Last time I remember them stop trading was Brexit when I was a funded trader. So I'm assuming they've probably put uh, brakes on a lot of the traders that are funded right now to try to supposedly preserve their capital. Volatility is a double-edged sword. Those that know how to trade it do pretty well. I'm a volatility trader. I do best when the market is in kind of a chaos and turmoil. So I have, you know, done okay on the side. But obviously, the long-term investments everyone's got right now are getting crushed, right? So I know mine as well, like everyone else. But well, the other side of that is you got money on reserve, ready to come back into the market. So that's always should have cash on hand, ready to come back in to invest on what could be perceived lows. Just like I would talk about my casino strategy, having a bankroll, for instance. I talk about it, but let's make an easy bankroll of say $1,200 or $1,500. Let's use $1,500 example. You have a bankroll of $1,500. You should divide that bankroll into threes right now. You should have 500 in each bankroll. Once you lose half of that money, you should invest into, you should replenish that 250 again and 250 again. Eventually you get your maximum loss, and at the casino is 750, right? So you're half of what you have decided to put in. Then you have to rebuild. Now you're also buying at lows, perceived lows as well, so it's not all bad. But you need to put that money back to, you got to get, if you get on the 750, you got to rebuild that bankroll back up to the $1,500 level. So that's kind of how, so know when to walk away, basically, right? So if you understand that principle right there, and you're investing on lows, maybe you divide it into tens. Maybe you divide, on this kind of environment, you divide it even more. I don't know. I would say that I personally have divided into fives right now. I've already put 2 in. I've let 3 sitting on the side right now, waiting to see if this is the low. I mean, Dow 2,000 points down. Am I going to put some money in the market? You damn right I'm putting some money in the market on 2,000 points down. These are things I've never seen in my lifetime. And I just had a birthday, 53 years old. I've never seen this kind. So I got two of 5 left, right? And I'm going to hold on to that. Most likely that 1 of 5 won't be put into the market until we really turn around. Actually, the last 2 out of 5 won't be probably put into the market until we turn around. And most likely it will be just I'll just set it there and it won't even be invested. So, and I'll just rebuild the cash again and prepare for the next downturn that'll happen sometime in the future, years from now. That's kind of how I approach it, and I thought I would share with you kind of my experience of how I've approached this kind of extreme volatilities as a long-term trader and also as a short-term trader coming back into the market right now. This is my kind of environment. That's it. That's all I want to talk about today. Dave Knight here for 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video I put together. Bye for now.